How to fix a paper jam in your Canon Pixma TS7720 printer. You can see sometimes the paper got stuck here, and go to the back side of the printer and open this section. If you see the paper is there, then you can remove it. If you don't see it there, you can close it back. Open the ink chamber. If you see paper inside, you can just move the ink cartridges to one side and try to remove the paper from here. Now close the ink chamber. So now to remove the error, we have to switch off the printer. Press the power button and then restart it again. So this will remove the error, and now we are ready to use our printer again. So wait here and restart it. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.